Welcome to Farm Shop Connect. Today I will walk you through how to set up maintenance reminders and run through all the notifications you can receive from the app. The first reminder that I want to run through is the resource maintenance notification. To set how often you would like to be reminded to service a piece of equipment, go to the Resource tab and select the piece of equipment. This will bring up the equipment's profile. Scroll down till you see the time service notification interval section. You can pick from the following options: yearly, semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly. Whatever option you choose, the first reminder notification will go off the date the time service interval was set. So if today is August 30th and you select monthly, you will be reminded by the app September 30th to service that piece of equipment. Then, once the first service record is created for that piece of machinery, the reminder will go off the date of the last service performed. The notification will appear in the app and also in your phone's homepage notification center. The next reminder the app offers is vehicle safety expiry. Go to the Vehicle's Resource tab, then click on a vehicle to bring up its profile. Scroll down till you see the safety expiry date. Then you can select the date of the expiry. Once that is in the app, you will be reminded 30 days before the safety expires. That notification will appear in the app and on your phone's home page notification center. To see the notifications in the app, go to the task page, then click on the wrench icon in the top right corner. There will be a breakdown of service and safety notifications. Other notifications the app provides are when a task has been created, when a task has been edited, when a task has been completed, and when a service record has been created. These will all show up on your phone's home page notification center. You can see all this information in the app as well when you go to the Activity tab at the far right corner on your screen. This shows you all the notifications and some. It also shows if any tasks or services have been deleted. Along with all the activity on the app being shown, it tells you who did what activity on the app, keeping you in the know in all day-to-day activities on your farm. That concludes this tutorial on maintenance reminders and notifications. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thank you for choosing Farm Shop Connect.